RejuvaTress Hair Growth is a popular supplement designed for women dealing with thinning hair and increased shedding. It's marketed as a daily capsule that supports fuller, thicker, healthier hair over time. The price usually ranges around $45 to $60 per bottle, depending on where you buy it and whether you choose a subscription. The company positions it as a clean, non-hormonal formula that helps reduce shedding, promotes regrowth, and improves overall hair density within a few weeks to a few months of consistent use. The brand highlights several benefits: stronger hair from the root, reduced breakage, improved scalp health, and support for dormant follicles to re-enter the growth phase. According to them, RejuvaTress targets multiple causes of thinning, like DHT buildup, nutrient deficiencies, and weak follicle activity, to help users see visible improvements without harsh chemicals or medications. The formula includes ingredients like saw palmetto, anagain pea sprout extract, biotin, zinc, vitamin E, B5, and cysteine. Saw palmetto is often used as a natural DHT blocker, which can help protect follicles from shrinking, especially in women with hormonal thinning. Anagain, made from pea sprouts, has been studied for stimulating dermal papilla cells, the part of the follicle responsible for hair growth, and for reducing excessive shedding. Biotin and B vitamins support keratin production, which strengthens hair strands, while zinc and vitamin E help with scalp health and inflammation control. Together, these ingredients aim to create an environment where hair can grow thicker, stronger, and more consistently. Users who love RejuvaTress often mention that their shedding visibly reduced within a month or two and that their hair started looking fuller and healthier. Many women with diffuse thinning say their ponytails feel thicker and their scalp looks less visible. A few reviews even mention baby hair regrowth along the hairline after consistent use. But not every review is perfect. Some customers say they didn't see any noticeable difference even after a couple of months, and a few mentioned mild stomach discomfort. There are also occasional complaints about subscriptions renewing automatically if people forget to cancel, which is something to keep an eye on. Overall, RejuvaTress seems to work well for many users, especially those dealing with mild to moderate thinning or increased shedding. It isn't a miracle cure, and results can vary depending on the cause of hair loss, but the ingredients do have some scientific support, and a lot of users report positive changes. If you're looking for a non-prescription, nutrient-based approach to improving hair health, and you're willing to give it a few months, RejuvaTress can be worth trying.